Everyone. Today I am going to explain basic proportionality theorem, which is also known as Thales theorem, as it was given by a Greek mathematician Thales. The statement of the theorem is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, means different points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. We have triangle ABC in which line DE is parallel to the side BC. Line DE intersects the sides AB at point D and AC at point E. We have to prove that sides AB and AC are divided in the same ratio, means AD ratio DB is equal to AE ratio EC, or we can say AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. What is given? Triangle ABC in which a line DE is drawn parallel to side BC, which intersects other two sides AB and AC at points D and E respectively. We need to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. To prove this, we have to do construction in the figure. First of all, we will join BE and CD. After joining BE and CD, we will draw DM perpendicular to side AC and EN perpendicular to side AB. I have drawn DM perpendicular to side AC and EN perpendicular to side AB. Now to prove AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC, we have to take ratio of area of triangle ADE and area of triangle BDE first of all. So let us take ratio of area of triangle ADE and triangle BDE. I have drawn these two triangles separately here. Now in triangle ADE, base is AD, and in triangle BDE, base is DB. For both the triangles, height is EN. As triangle BDE is obtuse angled triangle, so its height lies outside the triangle. Let us take their areas. For area of triangle ADE, we will apply the formula of area of triangle, which is half into base into height. So area of triangle ADE will become half into base AD into height EN. Area of triangle BDE will be half into base DB into height EN. Let us cancel common factors EN and half. We will get area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE is equal to AD upon DB. Let us take this equation as number 1. Now we will take the ratio of area of triangle ADE and area of triangle CDE. I have drawn these two triangles also separately. These triangles I have drawn just for the understanding, no need to draw in the examination. So let us take area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE. In triangle ADE, now we are to take AE as base and DM as height. In triangle CDE, base is CE and height is DM only. Again, this is obtuse angled triangle, so its height lies outside the triangle. So area of triangle ADE is equal to half into base AE into height DM, and area of triangle CDE is half into base CE, or you can write EC into height DM. Cancel the common factors. We will get area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE is equal to AE upon EC. Let us take this equation number 2. Now In equation number 1, left hand side is area of triangle ADE upon BDE, and in equation number 2, left hand side is area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle CDE. In both the equations, left hand side has same numerator but denominator is different. If we prove these denominators also equal, we can prove that AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Now we know area of triangle BDE equal to area of triangle CDE. Why? Because triangle BDE and triangle CDE are on the same base and between same parallel lines. Why it is so? Because between same parallel lines, height is different, same everywhere. So we can say, we have to mention reason here, triangle BDE and triangle CDE are the triangles on the same base and between same parallel lines. We can write this equation as number 3. So now we have proved left hand side of equation 1 is equal to left hand side of equation 2. So we can say right hand side of equation 1 is also equal to right hand side of equation 2. So we will say from 1, 2 and 3, AD upon DB is equal to AE upon EC. Hence we have proved that the sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are divided in the same ratio. To prove this theorem, first of all, construction is the most important part. After this, you have to remember 3 steps. First of all, we will find area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. Then ratio of area of triangle ADE and triangle CDE. And third step is, we will explain that area of triangle BDE is equal to area of triangle CDE, because these are the triangles on the same base and between same parallel lines. So this way we can prove this theorem. I hope you have understood the concept. So please like and share my video and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get timely updates of my videos. If you need videos of any topic, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.